This is the washing cover mold of the tub washing machine. Through the in-mold cutting technology, the plastic cover is separated from the gate during the production process. In this way, the product does not need to be manually trimmed at the gate. At the same time, the cross-section at the gate is smoother and more beautiful than manual trimming. Next, I will show you the combined barrel and cabinet mold of the twin tub washing machine.